Honestly, I've been really enjoying the Pixel 7a so far. I think this is a really nice build on a $499 phone. We obviously have the aluminum sides on this and the plastic back, making it, I feel like, a little less destructible than, of course, the Pixel 7 that has the Invictus glass on the back of this. But honestly, all around, I've been really enjoying this form factor. 6.1 inches is what I figured out for me in the last few days is the perfect size for a phone. I've been toting around the Galaxy S22 Ultra for way too long, and I definitely am in need for a phone that is not a whole 7 inches. That phone is a behemoth. So form factor on this device and build, perfect. Also, display looks beautiful. Obviously, HDR compatible OLED display right here, so movies are gonna look beautiful on this. YouTube's gonna look great on this. Playing video games as well. Of course, we have 8 gigabytes of RAM inside of here and the Tensor G2 chipset in here. This device really runs well when playing video games, even like Genshin Impact on high graphical settings and 60 frames per second. You guys are gonna have no issue on any of these games right here. Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, Genshin Impact, any of those. So the processor is decent. Obviously, it's not going to be as great as something like the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the top of the line flagship phones, but the Tensor G2 chipset is more than enough for most people, to be quite honest. You get into really a very small minority of people that want to run a game at the craziest settings possible, but you guys are going to be able to run these games at pretty high graphical settings and of course have Windows open and do your day-to-day tasks and all that without anything glitching or really messing up enormously or making anything super annoying like your phone restarting or something like that. But everything about this phone so far has been pretty good. The experience with charging has been great as well. I don't really use wireless charging all that much, but the wired charging is rated at 18 watts and I feel like the charging rate was faster than that. I was using my 45 watt Anker charger on this device and it seems like it was charging at a faster rate than 18 watts. I feel like that was definitely the case for this. I remember yesterday popping this on the charger and within like 10 minutes I think it went up 30% or 40%, some crazy like that, just leaving it right there for a second. But battery life has been pretty decent. At the end of the day, it's about 20%. Also, 5 years of updates on this device, a perfect set operating system updates for the Pixel 7a. Now, should you pick up this device with everything that we've seen on this device for $499 and even some of you getting gift cards of $50 at Best Buy or Amazon, should you pick up the Pixel 7a? Absolutely not. Do not pick up this phone. So the Pixel 7a is a great phone, and at this price tag, I feel like it's a really good deal even so, but the Pixel 7a is the same price as the Pixel 7. Right now at Best Buy, you can actually pick up the Pixel 7 if you activate it there for $499. And even crazier, if you go on Swapper right now, as you guys can see, you can get a Pixel 7 brand new for as little as $433. So you can actually save money getting the Pixel 7 instead of the Pixel 7a. And I've heard a lot of arguments of people saying, why'd they release the Pixel 7a at the same price tag as the Pixel 7 or so close to it? And honestly, my theory is they don't really care about selling Pixel 7a's right now. I believe they care about selling the Pixel 7, and they're going to release the Pixel 7a later in October or even before that at a price tag of like $400 or $449 or something like that, or some crazy deal later on. I just think they want people in the Google ecosystem, and honestly, that's a great marketing tactic if you're not losing any money, of course. They've done a great job with the Pixel 7a. I think this is a beautiful device, and I think it's going to be an absolutely amazing device and the best value for money device when it drops down to $399 soon. So if you guys want to get the Pixel 7a and you want that blue ocean color or you want that coral color on the Pixel 7a that you can only get on this device, it's your money. Go ahead and do it. But the thing is, there are a lot more things that you get on the Pixel 7 compared to the Pixel 7a. So it honestly wouldn't make sense. So here are some pros of getting the Pixel 7 over the Pixel 7a. First and foremost, the Pixel 7 has 1400 nits as far as brightness goes compared to the 7a that has only 1000 nits. It also has a better screen to body ratio. We have an 84% screen to body ratio compared to the Pixel 7a that has only an 80% screen to body ratio. We also have 20 watt wireless charging and 20 watt wired charging on the Pixel 7 compared to the 7.5 watt wireless charging on the 7a and 18 watt wired charging on the 7a as well. On the 7, you also have a better camera setup. It's going to be the new newest generation of the Pixel camera, so you're going to be getting things on that camera that you do not get on the 7A. It also has a better build with a glass back, and that's going to be utilizing Invictus from Gorilla Glass. We also have IP68 water and dust resistance compared to the 7A's IP67. So those are all the upgrades that you're going to get on the Google Pixel 7, and seeing that you can get the 7 at the same price as the 7A or even cheaper on Swappa, as I just showed you all of those listings, what would be the sense of picking up the Pixel 7A? So again, I really do like the Pixel 7a. I think this is a great device and I think it offers a lot, but I think Google wants us to buy the Pixel 7, of course, and I think they are obviously going to drop this price later on to $399. And if you guys really don't want to spend money right now and you guys can take it or leave it, I would wait until this device goes down $100 and go ahead and pick it up when it's on sale. But let me know what you guys think. That was the Pixel 7a 48 hours later. Decent phone, but I think the Pixel 7 is just the obvious choice with this one.